Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I thought it was about time I made a trailer so that you know what the channel is all about and why you should subscribe. My name's Anthony, an artist based in the UK. I put up weekly videos on my YouTube channel, and these videos can be anything from tutorials, DIY projects, creative kit reviews, toy reviews, a couple of ongoing series, so we have the Blind Pinterest Challenge and Craft Race, and basically any other fun creative content that I can think of. They're pointing in different ways, one goes down and one goes up. Oh, there's oh no! Through the first ST and wrap the yarn around and bring through. What? And like I said, videos go up once a week, every Friday usually, but sometimes I add extra videos during the week as well. So make sure to click the subscribe button so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!